Hello, little explorers! Today we're going on a fantastic journey to discover the magical world of colors. Are you ready? Now let's start. What color is this? This is the color red. Can you think of things that are red? What's the color of this fruit? This is red apple. What's the color of this hearts? These are red hearts. What's the color of this flower? This is red flower. What's the color of this bag? This is red bag. What color is this? This is the color blue. Can you think of things that are blue? What's the color of this eyeglasses? This is blue eyeglasses. What's the color of this hat? This is the blue hat. What's the color of this fruits? This is blueberries. What's the color of these pants? This is blue pants. What color is this? This is the color orange. Can you think of things that are orange? What's the color of this fruit? This is orange fruit. What's the color of this button? This is the orange button. What's the color of this ball? This is orange ball. What's the color of this umbrella? This is orange umbrella. Can you guess what color this is? Yes, it's green. What's the color of this car? This is green car. What's the color of the leaves? This is green leaves. What's the color of this animal? This is green tortoise. What's the color of this vegetable? This is green cucumber. Can you guess what color this is? Yes, it's yellow. Can you think of things that are yellow? What's the color of this sofa? This is yellow sofa. What's the color of this fruit? This is yellow banana. What's the color of this star? This is yellow star. What's the color of this sun? This is yellow sun. Can you guess what color this is? Yes, it's black. Can you think of things that are black? What's the color of this cat? This is black cat. What's the color of this t-shirt? This is black t-shirt. What's the color of this ink? This is black ink. What's the color of this piano? This is black piano.